If you've ever needed a quick, simple way to collect information from your team or clients right inside Asana, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a form in Asana, even if you've never touched this feature before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build and customize an interactive form that captures just what you need and funnels responses straight into your project. So let's jump in and get started. First, let's find where forms live inside Asana. Start by opening the specific project where you want to collect responses. Forms are tied to individual projects, so make sure you're inside the right one for your needs. For example, maybe this is your marketing requests project or your IT support tickets project. Next, look towards the top right corner, and you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. It's your gateway to all sorts of powerful tools in Asana. Once you're in the Customize menu, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Scan down until you spot Forms. Click on that, and you'll be ready to start building. Now, let's get into actually creating your form. You should see a button that says Add Form. Click it, and Asana will open up the form builder for this project. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so people know exactly what it's for when they see it. For instance, you might name it Design Request Form or Feedback Submission. There's also an option to add a description. Use this to provide any extra details or instructions for submitters. Think of this a bit like the introduction on a paper form, giving folks guidance before they fill anything out. Next, you'll begin adding questions. Asana lets you choose from a handful of question types like simple text fields, single select options, great for things like priority levels or department selection, and date fields if you need someone to choose a timeline. For each question, take a moment to customize the title so it's easy to understand, and use the description area to clarify what you're looking for. For example, instead of just due date, you could write, when do you need this request completed? If a particular piece of information is essential, like email address or project type, go ahead and toggle the field to make it required. Don't worry if you're not sure what questions you'll need at first. You can always come back and edit these later. One special spot to check out is the Settings tab near the top of the builder. Here you can tweak how the responses get handled after someone submits the form. You might want every new submission to auto-assign a task to a specific teammate, say your operations lead or the IT specialist. There's also an option to copy all form responses directly into the task description, making it super easy to see all the details at a glance without hunting around. When you're happy with your questions and settings, it's a great idea to preview your work. Click View Form and take a look at exactly what submitters will see. If anything feels unclear or cluttered, you can tweak it before you go live. Once everything looks just right, hit the Publish or Share Form button. Asana will generate a shareable link that you can copy and send wherever you need, whether it's an email to your team, a Slack message, or embedding on your company intranet. And that's it. You've now got a polished Asana form that's ready to make your workflow more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or tips in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you want more clear, practical guides just like this one. See you in the next video.